Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Pura 7E Pro, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So, to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top right side of the screen. This actually will get you the toggles, not notifications, which is what we want. And in here, you're looking for the screen recording toggle. For me, it's right over here. On CC, you can simply tap on it. It might ask you for some kind of permissions, granted if it does, and after a moment it will automatically start recording. So whatever application you will open up right now will be recorded. Now there is a bit of a caveat to it. Not every application will allow you to be recorded, and there is nothing you can do about it. Now, anyway, to stop the recording, just interact with the timer, and this will then stop it and save it to your gallery. Now going back to the applications that I was talking about, there are certain apps that have the unexplicit reason or ability to block features of your Android without your permission. So as an example, one of those applications, don't know if it exists on the Huawei with their app gallery, but I assume it does, would be the Netflix app. It can just straight up block the screen recorder, and you might not be logged into it. You might not have agreed to the terms of use or anything else. You might have even flat out rejected them, but the application doesn't give a shit, and it will still block the screen recorder. Because apparently it has more control over your own device that you spent money on than you do, obviously. So anyway, if you ever encountered a fully black screen, just know that a crappy application decided to be more controlling over your own device than you can be. Now, to view that screen recording, we're going to open up our gallery. Let's just select next and OK. And our screen recording will be visible somewhere at the front. For me, it is right over here. So there we go, that's the screen recording. Now, as you can see, it is being shown under Photos, so the tab where you will find literally everything. So later on, it might be easier to find your screen recordings, along with also screenshots, in the album folder and navigate to screenshots, as that's where the device stores your screen recordings and also screenshots. So it has a dedicated album for making it easier to find them. Now, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.